But I would say that pricing is a function of value, and it's a function of perception. See, why some products can command a higher price, some don't. Again, it's all matter of perception. Why should you pay more for a branded product when a normal unbranded is just as good in quality? So you see, this is due to the perception, because if they believe that this has got a better value and you're willing to pay for it, then it becomes acceptable. Yeah. Challenge to businesses is to how do you come up with that perception? How do you create perception? That calls for creativity. And if you look at the pricing theories in marketing textbooks and so on, there are many formulas. One is to price it at what the market can bear, which means you have a new product, it's not available in the market, so you want to cream the market. So you put a very high markup until the competitors come in, then you start lowering your price, and that's the way. But the other way of pricing it is to, the price is so low that your competitors are discouraged from even wanting to go into the business because there's no money in it. So there is no absolute right or wrong way to price. It's your choice how you see the market, and how you want to control it. You have, if you look at the world as an onion, the people in the bulk of it is that the middle class, upper middle, lower middle class, and they are salary people. Maybe they have a high salary, but the people at the top of the onion, the 3% or even 4-5%, they are super rich, right? To them, money is no object. So how do you price something for the people at the top of the onion, right? So again, it's very subjective. So it depends on who your target segments are, and how do you want to price it. But the key is really based on the segment that you're targeting.